Alright guys, so I want to show you how to screen mirror from your MacBook to a Roku device. Process here is very simple. Got a couple options in how we can screen mirror to the device. I'm going to stop this screen mirror by selecting stop mirroring in this mirror button. So Roku does have AirPlay, which means it's super easy. On our Mac, we have this icon right here, which opens a menu where we have our screen share logo icon here. I click it and then we get our options. So I have a TV downstairs that's on the same Wi-Fi network, and then the Roku Express is right here. I will select that. So it's going to default to the last screen mirroring type, right? So this is straight up mirroring my screen here. Now, if I hit the same icon and then I hit this screen mirror, you can see there is a change button right here. So if I click change, it's going to give me options: entire screen, window or app, or extended display. So the entire screen is what I'm showing here. If I wanted it to just be a window or app, I would choose that. So you can see that this is chosen. So I will select mirror this window. And now I just have that one window. And now if I go back here, hit the screen share, and then change, I can do extended display, where this is going to be like a separate screen, which is cool. So I have to scroll over to get the mouse, but I can from here press play. Okay, and then I can do full screen here, press play, and it's still gonna go, and I can still work on my computer, which is great. So that is in a nutshell how we're going to screen mirror content from our Mac to a Roku device. I'm gonna hit the escape button here, and then on this screen I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna hit the active screen mirror button, and I'm gonna say stop extending, and I am back to here. So that is that. Hope it helps. See you next time.